Welcome to the rendered world here at RJK Design, where we believe every house should be as unique as the people that call it home. As we get ready to take today's tour, take some time and tap that subscribe button and bell icon if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our future videos showing your current projects and design ideas. Every now and then, we have a customer come in and tell us what rooms and amenities that they need, and a budget that allows us to be flexible in our design. We had a lot of fun with this one, and I think it shows. This kitchen is so easy to keep clean because there's another full kitchen in the pantry for all the messy prep work and cleanup. I learned something new designing this home spa, the plunge pools for ice water. I understand submerging yourself in cold water has a lot of health benefits. Sounds great to me for somebody else. Now this backyard is a bit more my speed. Now this is a pup-friendly laundry room with built-in crates and a dog wash at the far end, and even a food station built right into the cabinet. Now on the second floor we have 4 additional bedrooms, 2 baths, and a living room. I sure hope you enjoyed this tour as much as we did bringing it to you. Let us know what you thought of the design in the comments. And now that you've liked and subscribed, remember, every house should be as unique as the people that call it home.